Oh, I'm finally home. I'm finally back in Indiana. It is the 9th. It is 12:49 in the afternoon. I just did this, which I think looks pretty decent. Let's check out the highlight. Yeah, okay. Hate myself. So we're up to date on all of our loan stuff. It's in underwriting now. Also, like, can we just hang on? You like it? What do you think I got it? You think I like Crate and Barrel Pier 1? No, that my husband made it. Wyatt Wells made this. Handmade it. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's like it's that was our like 6-month anniversary gift to me. I got him a Fitbit because he always liked my Fitbit, so I got him a Fitbit. I don't know. I feel like mine wasn't as good as his. But so our loan is in underwriting now. Now we are just packing up. Do you want to say hi, baby? You want to say hi? Say hi. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. She's so pretty. Okay, so this is the big deal down here. This is the basement. This over here is where Wyatt and I like used to like live. I like hung up that and everything, but a lot of this stuff over here is mine. This is my couch from my old apartment. I've got we've got like 3 houses worth of stuff here. Furniture from my old apartment, my mom's house. We've got boxes and boxes and boxes and everything of things to go through. So you would think, oh, everything's in boxes. Just put it on a truck and take it somewhere. Well, there's a lot of boxes from my granny's house, my great grandmother's house. So she moved out of her home that she had been living in for the past like 20 years, her retirement home, and then she had to go to a nursing home because of health reasons. But so we, you know, we had to clean out her house. Everybody came around and they like divided things up as they wanted to. Like that was like the thing, they wanted everybody to do that. But there's a ton of boxes with old paperwork, with old things like that, and we would just get rid of it because it's like receipts from like 1989. But there was also like, I remember when I was going through and I was cleaning out some of the stuff, it was like my great 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 grandfather's like military documents, and then my great 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 grandfather's like immigration documents from Germany to America. So it's like there's a lot of papers that are absolutely useless, like a gas station in Kansas where they bought some pretzels. But there's also documents and things like that we would really like to keep. So it's just getting through all of this. Also, my mom has a tanning bed, so that's a thing. Obviously, if you can tell by the pallor of my skin, I never use it and I never go outside. So also my mom is kind of a hoarder, where she's one of those people who's like, well, I don't know what if we need it. And we also have a lot of like, so that painting back there is a painting that I did. I'm not a really huge fan of it, but I would feel like I don't want to get rid of it because that's a canvas. And if I want to paint something, like I don't like that painting, so I can just paint over it. That's the great thing about a canvas. We got all these bulldog paintings and things over here. I think I've done these 3, like right here. I don't know. And then the other ones like are bought, but they're like, my mom's obsessed with bulldog stuff, so my mom's into photo. Okay, well, hopefully we're gonna get a little bit more done in the basement today. Yesterday I wasn't very much help. I got up and I was like super excited, super pumped. I was like, okay, let's get started, let's get ready, let's go, and let's go, we're going to go. And then like 20 minutes in, I was like, I like couldn't keep my eyes open. So I'm hoping today that my motivation sticks with me and my energy stays with me, and that I'm able to actually help with the work, because all of this stuff that's been done yesterday, I can't claim any of it because I was useless yesterday. I want to be a little bit more helpful today, but it's not starting off great. It's gonna kind of been a hard pain day today. Not terrible, not like one of the worst ones. Like I'm still able to like get up, put makeup on, obviously, but it's one of those things where it's like I walked from the upstairs to downstairs, and like I'm like, ow, ow, just ow, pain, always in pain. Okay, see in a little bit. So Wyatt and I have been in what will probably end our marriage kind of debate, where I've been saying that Luke Skywalker is not a true Jedi.
Yeah, you just say Jedi. You don't say Jedi Knight. I said that he wasn't a Jedi Knight. I said he was a Jedi, though.
Okay. All right. Maybe he was a Jedi, right? But so I've got the Jedi path, right? I've got the Jedi path, and it talks about the trials and then the knighting ceremony, and it has like a little note in here that Luke wrote. It says Yoda didn't knight me, so I didn't knight my own students. We'll work on formalizing this. So Luke Skywalker, proven not a Jedi Knight. Not a Jedi Knight. We'll be researching this book a little bit more to formalize and get ready for our court date. So where I argue my point that Luke is not a true Jedi. I'm kidding, but it really actually pisses Wyatt off. And I mentioned it to him, and I mentioned it to his cousin, where I was like, hey, here's a fun little thing for you. I don't think Luke Skywalker is a true Jedi. And I got schooled walking through downtown Disney like I was some kind of heathen. I'm just trying to bring up debate. I'm just trying to bring up a debate. I'm playing devil's advocate here. Hello. So, more progress has been made. The biggest thing right now is getting things away from the walls for the inspection that's happening on the 11th. It is 11 o'clock at night right now. I said I was having a bad pain day. I am having a bad pain day. My face is breaking out really bad, and I had to kind of like clock out for a while there, and I had to take a nap, which makes me so frustrated because I'm 23. I shouldn't have to take a nap every single day to function as a human being. But we've got tons of things moved away from the wall. Da-da-da-da, ta-da! And we went through a ton of stuff, and we're getting rid of a ton of stuff, so progress is being made, and we still have quite a few days. Isn't that creepy? It's just like my shadow scared me. Okay, well, I'm gonna go put on a mud mask. I'm gonna make up into a mud mask, and then I'll see you in a second. Horrifying, but I have a mud mask going on here. I just want to show you kind of my nighttime routine. So we start with oil-based cleanser to melt off the makeup. Then we go to a water-based cleanser. I do the Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser because if I use something that's hydrating, I'll become too oily. And if I use something that's for oily skin, it'll dry me out. So that's what happens there. Then I like to use this, I like the baking soda micellar water, and I use just a little cotton round on my eyes to get the rest of my eye makeup off, so I'm not scrubbing up my eyes. I actually do the micellar water in between the oil and the water-based. So then now after that, I did a toner. There's Witch Hazel, Rose Petal. Yeah, I like that one the best. I've made my own toners with water and like tea tree and things like that, but they're very, very like abrasive. This one I think is one that you can use every day. I know they say don't use a toner every single day. Don't use Witch Hazel on your face every single day, especially a toner that's alcohol based every single day. But this one is gentle enough, at least for my skin, that I use it almost every single day. So after I wash this off, I then go to my serums. So we got a couple serums here. This is the Shiseido Ibuki Softening Concentrate. I got this little Ulta Beauty Purifying Hyaluronic Acid. I like to use this little, what are you? Collagen on my eyes, and then a little spot treatment for acne. So that's that. And then after all that, then we use moisturizer. I use the Oil-Free Moisture Neutrogena for combination skin. I don't really have combination skin. I have skin that hates me. So yes, that's nighttime routine. I'm gonna wash this off. The other thing with my nighttime routine is that after I wash this off, I always like to do either a breathing exercise to kind of meditation. But I don't like to do guided meditations. I kind of like to just sit for like at least 7 minutes, 7 to like 15 minutes of just focusing on breathing and relaxing, and I find that that has helped me fall asleep way faster and fall asleep without the need of taking things like Benadryl or ZzzQuil or NyQuil or things like that. So that's that.